Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 5. I am Alika Raisya, and here's my friend Kevin Raida Faal Gibran and Muhammad Nasirul Haq. We will presenting about the final report of our research and design project. The title is Design Interface Analysis of the Core IT website. This project was conducted as part of our human-computer interaction coursework, focusing on evaluating and improving the user interface of Core IT official website, a community-based initiative at OMJ. Before we continue, our abstract, which contains the general overview and objective of this study, will be read by Kevin. Silakan.
Okay, I will explain about general views and objective of this report. So, Community of Research and Innovation Technology (Core IT) is a student organization established to serve as a platform for students, particularly within the Faculty of Engineering at Universitas Muhammadiyah Jakarta, to explore and enhance their interest and competence in information technology, to support the dissemination of information and documentation of its activities. Core IT has developed an official website. However, during its implementation, several issues were identified, especially concerning the quality of the user interface or UI design, which affect user comfort. To improve the quality of website, a comprehensive evaluation was conducted with a particular focus on UI aspects. The data collection process involved distributing questionnaires to active users, primarily internal of member of Core IT, in order to identify usability issues and user needs directly from the target audience. The collect data was then analyzed qualitatively to derive actionable recommendation for improvement. Finding from his analysis serve as the basis for the website interface designs, with a strong emphasis on applying UI design principles suitable for laptop-based access. The result of this project is a revised version of the Core IT website that aims to provide a more intuitive and user-friendly experience, thereby enhancing the effectiveness of information dissemination within the community.
Okay, thanks Kevin for reading our abstract, and we will talk about chapter 1 now. It's introduction, and let's start. Core IT, or Committee of Research and Innovation Technology, is a student-led organization under the Faculty of Engineering at University of Muhammadiyah Jakarta. It was established as a collaborative platform for students to grow their skill in various stage domains such as software development, UI UX, cybersecurity, and AI. To support its internal and external activities, Core IT developed an official website, however, after deployment, several issues were reported, particularly regarding its user interface. User experience, covert layout, unbalanced visual element, and poor navigation flow. These usability issues prompt us to conduct a focused evaluation of the website, aiming to identify pain points and apply user-centered improvement. And our primary objective is to create a redesigned interface that is more intuitive, visually structured, and accessible, especially for users accessing the site via laptop or desktop. And the main problem we identified were navigation paths were not as good as it looked. The homepage appeared to be dense with oversized elements, and there was a lack of visual hierarchy and structure in critical area like dashboard. In addressing this challenge, we use the user-centered design or UCD method. This involves direct feedback collection via questionnaires, iterative design prototyping, and visual testing, all tailored to the actual needs of the website user. Ultimately, our goal is to deliver a well-designed interface that reflects the professionalism of core IT, improve usability, and enhance community communication across the Universitas Muhammadiyah Jakarta community. And that's the chapter 1.
Okay, the second chapter is about theoretical basis. The first about website. According to Adelia 2021, a website is a form of media that presents information through text, image, audio, or video on either static or dynamic page. A quality website effectively communicates its intended information in line with this definition. Number two, about user interface. The user interface is the visual representation of a software system. It serves as a vital component that facilitates direct interaction between user and the operating system through graphical elements such as text, image, sound, and color. The three, after we talking about what is user interface, so we continue with present about principle of user interface design. The first principle is a consistency. A consistent design pattern and repeated action in similar contexts help user learn and interact more easily. The second principle is appearance, readability, and navigational clarity, including aesthetic aspects such as font style, size, and layout, are essential for an engaging UI. Last is efficiency. The design should enable users to achieve their goals quickly and easily by minimizing cognitive load and making filters easy to recognize. Next, we are talking about the method. The method is user-centered design or UCD. One of the widely used methods in design application or website is UCD, which focuses on users' need and preference. The final design is expected to align with or closely match user expectation in increasing the likelihood of adoption in the market. The UCD method includes four main stages. The first, understanding the context of use, where identify the target user through interviews, surveys, and observation, or etc. The second is specifying user requirement, determine user need and challenges, and propose solution in both technical and design aspect. The third is designing solution, create design concept based on user need. This may include developing wireframes. The fourth or the last is evaluating the design, conduct usability testing to ensure the final design meets user expectation and needs. You can see in the picture. Yeah. Okay, you can see the UCD method involves four main stage. The four on the picture. Okay. Next we are talking about hypodiagram. Hypodiagram or hierarchy input process output is a software engineering methodology used as a program documentation tool developed and supported by IBM. Hippo is widely used for system development based on functional decomposition, where each module is represented by its primary function. And last, I will present in front of you about mockup design. According to Samuel 2022, a mockup is a digital design used to provide a realistic view of a proposed interface. It is a refinement of a wireframe, which is a conceptual sketch lacking full detail. A mockup will upon the wireframe to present a more complete and visual accurate design.
Okay, the next what I will explain about is the research methodology. Research methodology. In the research analysis of this UI display, is using the user-centered design method. UCD is an approach to user interface design and development that involves user throughout the design process. In UCD, there are steps and stages that are carried out. Number one is the user contact. Number two is determining user requirements, and number three is generating design solution. And the last one is evaluate the design. And the next one I will explain about the data collection method. Data collection techniques are systematic procedure used to obtain empirical data that is relevant and scientifically accountable. In the context of this research, data collection process is carried out to support the analysis of the user interface UI system on the Core IT website. To carry out the first stage of UCD, so we collect data using observation, literature study, and questionnaires.
And then in chapter 4, here's the analysis that we do, and the result is We began our redesign process by collecting direct input from users through questionnaires distributed to 17 active core IT members. We were able to gather clear insight. The feedback was eye-opening. 76.5% felt that the homepage layout was unbalanced, mostly due to oversized button and compressed text, and 82.4% said the interface elements were too large, making the site feel unrefined. And 64.7% point out that the registration page lacked clear instruction or there's no timeline in the registration area. And 70,6% express frustration over excessive scrolling needed to access important information. This user feedback directly shaped our design decision. Each point was translated into a design fix. We then utilized the hierarchy plus input process output and a diagram to map the logical structure of the site. This diagram visualizes how users navigate from the home page to other features like news, division, programs, and others. By organizing this function into a clear hierarchy, we made the navigation more streamlined and consistent. And next came the visual solution is wireframes. These were low-fidelity sketch of each page that help us plan the new layout. For example, we introduced a sticky navigation bar, reorganized the homepage with grid-aligned card, and add content separation in dashboard for improvement readability. The registration page was given a step-by-step format to enhance clarity. Finally, we transformed our wireframes into interactive prototype using Google Sites. This prototype allows us to stimulate real user interaction and validate our design decision before implementation. And here's the Google site that Kevin will show us. And go on, Kevin. Explain to us how the Google site works.
Okay, so this is website that we make the prototype for analysis. So this is the home page right over here. See, and this is for the news in the home page. We can click it and we got some news over here. So next is division. So division is which is linked to many division as in there. So we got programming division right here, can access over here, and every other division else when we click it. So if we click it, the division, so it will show the all division that is available in Core IT. So there is program over here, program, and about us. And this is a register. So this for sign to become Core IT member. So we got to fill the form right over here and we can submit over here like that. If already signed the form, and next is I will show the profile. The profile is right here. So if you have an account, you can just log in, or if you don't have the account, so we got sign up over here like that, and sign up and confirm. So like that, and yeah, like that also this sign up can be accessed right here too. So I think that's all that what I will show in the website.
The last chapter is the conclusion. The user interface plays a vital role in shaping the core IT student community website. It acts as a bridge between the user and the system, while also serving as an effective tool for delivering information. Through a redesigned and user-centered interface, the website becomes more accessible and helps the public better understand the assignment, activities, and the portfolios of core IT members. A well-structured a well-structured visual layout and clear narrative improve both usability and clarity. Moreover, the interface reflects the community's visual identity, not just through appearance, but by representing its core values and vision. In short, user interface design is not just about how the website looks, but also about how it communicates and strengthens the community's presence in the digital space.
Thank you, Nazir and Kevin. And in conclusion, this project has shown that good user interface design is not just about aesthetics, it's about usability, clarity, and how well the platform serves its audience. Through evaluation, user feedback, and a systematically designed approach, we were able to create a more functional, professional, and user-oriented version of the core IT website. And thank you for your attention. Thank you for watching us. And that's all I'm gonna talk about with my friends. I'm sorry if there's a lot of not well said English. And that's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.